Hi, I am Jane. In this video, you will learn to use a great artificial intelligence tool. Let's begin.
Hello friends, you just met my artificial intelligence assistant. I've done this with the help of the ID site. No need for camera or microphone. You can shoot this type of video without even using your face. Register before starting a project. After registering, log in and start using the site. Now I am ready and can create video. As you can see, there are different characters here. These 3 characters are for those who prefer widescreen. The woman I chose at the beginning of the video was this woman. Now let's choose another character. I chose this woman. I write on this screen what the woman will say. Since I'm on the free version, I have a 20 word limit. So I'm going to write something short. Hi, what can I do for you today? Sorry. After this, you can choose language, voice and style. So we are ready now. Generate.
Hi, what can I do for you today?
Haha, I love this.
Hi, what can I do for you today?
Nice voice. But if you want, you can also upload your own voice from this section. I will do something different now. I will create the character to speak. We can choose here or we can write whatever comes to our mind here, and we can produce a new character. I want a new character. And generate. Yes, wonderful. So what would this woman say? Let's write, thanks for choosing me. And don't forget to choose language and voice. Let's generate.
Thanks for choosing me.
Please look at her lips.
Thanks for choosing me.
Wow, how realistic. I love her. Yeah, these are my old records. Let's open one.
Hi, I am Tony. In this video, you will learn to use a great artificial intelligence tool. Let's begin.
You see how realistic the lip movements are. These are all really great developments. Artificial intelligence has now started to leave many people unemployed because many lines of business are no longer needed. Artificial intelligence or AI can make logos and designs. It also produces videos and renders. In many countries, university theses are now written with ChatGPT. Indeed, many sectors in the business world have been in trouble. This site, the ID, got ahead of many things. I wonder what companies will do that are asking for money per word for their video delivery service. On the ID, for sentences with more than 20 words, we need to get the paid version. Let's have a look at the prices now. They sell 10 minutes a month for $6. There are options such as 15 minutes and 65 minutes. If the ID alternatives come out in the future, these packages will probably be cheaper. Believe me guys, these AI applications will develop and further, more realistic, different things will come out. That's a sure thing. We will wait and see. It's really fun to learn about these sites. I think AI will give us ideas for a big venture. Stay tuned. That's for now. See you in my next video.
And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.